My name is Michael Seiss. I'm the operations manager for the Big Rock Bowling Center at the Santa Clara Hotel Casino. Big Rock Bowling Center is a full-service bowling center. We provide a fun, safe environment for people to come, just get moving and have a little bit of fun. We provide everything. We're not only from bowling to a full pro shop. We can do ball work. We have food and drink. We offer everything from your basic snack items, from nachos and hot dogs to pizza. Our Cosmic Bowling is actually a lot of fun. It provides that difference from just the regular bowling experience. When the Cosmic's going, you just keep wanting to move around. You see people dancing, you see the kids really enjoying it. One of the biggest surprises that people have is how open and inviting the center really is.